Now let us consider cycloaddition reactions. These are also one of the type of pericyclic reactions. Now cycloaddition reactions are nothing but the reactions which involves reaction between two compounds, which mostly unsaturated compounds having multiple bonds, and form a cyclic product which involves two new sigma bonds. So it means it is the general combination of two unsaturated molecules which forms a cyclic product which gives new two sigma bonds. So these type of reactions are thermally or photochemically reaction at a time. It means this type of reaction at the time do not act as photochemical as well as thermally. So at a single time they only play a role in a thermally or photochemically. So basically this type of reaction is characterized by the presence of pi electrons. These type of reactions are characterized by the presence of pi electrons. Now, on the basis of pi electrons, reactions are classified into two classes. Let us consider example. So now here it is, you can consider this is the first example, that is this is ethene plus ethene is there. Now this ethene molecule, one of the molecule is this first molecule is, you can see here, this molecule is 2 pi electron system, right? And another molecule is also 2 pi electron system. So both the 2 pi electron system, when they react, they forms a cyclobutane. This is a cyclobutane. This is a cyclobutane molecule. Now in this molecule you can look at the position of this red color bonds. These are newly formed bonds, form sigma bonds. So these two bonds are newly formed. So when we are going to consider this such type of addition of this unsaturated molecule with this another unsaturated molecule, it always forms a cyclic type of system in case of cycloaddition reaction. So if you look at the position, so these are the 2 pi electron system, these are the 2 pi electron system. When we are going to add this 2 plus 2 pi electron system, then it is a 4 pi electrons. So 4 pi electrons, right? So the 4 indicates the ring size. So this 4 indicate the ring size of product. Okay. And now look at the second example. Now let us consider this type of second example. Now in the first molecule, this molecule having 2 pi bonds, means 4 pi electrons. So it having this molecule having 2 pi bonds, means 4 pi electrons. Okay. And now in the second molecule, unsaturated aldehyde, it having 1 pi bond, means 2 pi electrons. So if we add this 4 plus 2, then it will become 6 pi electron system. So again I will highlight this. 6 is nothing but the ring size of product. Ring size of product. So you can look at this, the product side. The product is 6 member ring. So it is, from this addition we can easily find out whether the product is 5 member, 3 member or anything else. So it is, in this case it is a 6 member ring. Again you can see here, so these two bonds, this is and this is also, these are the two newly formed sigma bonds. Newly formed sigma bonds, a single bond also you can consider as. Whenever you are going to consider the cycloaddition, in the cycloaddition it is always found that in the product case two new sigma bonds are always formed. Two new sigma bonds are always formed. Either you can consider 2 pi plus 2 pi system or 4 pi plus 2 electron system, then two new sigma bonds is always formed. So as earlier said that this type of cycloaddition reaction are characterized by the pi electron involvement. So now this, in the first case there are 2 pi electrons, so it is 2 pi plus 2 pi that is nothing but the 4 pi electron system, right? So this type of reaction is known as 2 pi plus 2 pi cycloaddition, the first class, 2 pi plus 2 pi cycloaddition reaction. Now if you look at the second case, now in this case, this is a 4 pi electron system and this is 2 pi electron system. So it is, you can consider that is 4, sorry, it is 4 pi plus 2 pi cycloaddition. So this is second class. So cycloaddition is classified into two different types. This is the second one and this is the first one. So 2 pi plus 2 pi system and second one is the 4 pi plus 2 pi cycloadditions. So these are the important class. Now this, it can be identified on the basis of starting molecules. If the starting molecule contains 2 pi electron system or it contains 4 pi plus 2 pi electron system. So on the basis of this it can be classified. Now consider this chart. This chart is very important in case of photochemical reaction. So still we haven't classified whether this reaction is thermally or whether this reaction is photochemically, because we don't know about this chart. So first we will learn about this chart. As earlier said, the reaction, cycloaddition reaction, either thermally or photochemical reaction, means this reaction should be thermally or photochemically only, or this reaction is thermochemically or photochemically only. It cannot be thermally as well as photochemical. So for that we should remember these charts. So now let us consider these charts. This triangle type of shape indicates the thermal heating symbol, that is thermally reaction. This H mu indicates the photochemical type of reaction. Students should always remember that H mu is always stands for the photochemical reaction, and this type of triangle, small triangle, is always represent the thermal reactions. So as earlier we see that the system should be 4 pi or 4 plus 2 pi system. As we see that, so here you can see that this is a 4 pi electron system, or this is a 4 pi plus 2 pi electron system. So there are two types of system, 4 or 4 plus pi system. Now if you consider a 4 pi electron system, that is, suppose I am going to consider this type of molecule is going to be react. Okay, now this is 2 pi plus 2 pi system, so it is a 4 pi system. Now look at the 4 pi system. If you look at the 4 pi system, that 4 pi system is thermally is forbidden. If you look at this 2 plus 2 is nothing but the 4 pi. Now 4 is there. So if you look at this 4, if we consider this thermally, that thermally reaction is forbidden. That means thermally this type of reaction will not be allowed. Thermally this type of reaction will not be allowed. These are the forbidden. These are forbidden. Such type of reaction does not happen. Now if you consider this same type of reaction with the heat, photochemically, now look at this. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 is there. Now look at 4 and H mu symbol is there. So the reaction is allowed. So the reaction is happening. Means the product will be formed like that. So it is allowed reaction. It is allowed reaction. The chart is very important. If you consider this chart, you can understand any kind of reactions. Now consider another example. Here it is same example. We are going to consider, suppose this 1,3 butadiene is reacted with the same molecule, that is unsaturated aldehyde. Now again we are going to consider two type of reactions. So initially if we consider it is photochemical, suppose we are going to consider photo. Now look at this. So this is 2 pi, 2 pi. So 2 pi plus 2 pi nothing but the 4. So it is 4 pi electron system. Sorry, what is happening here? So 2 pi plus 2 pi, that is equal to 4 pi. Okay. Now in this case, here it is only one pi bond is there, so it is a 2 pi electron system. Okay. So the overall system is 4 pi plus 2 pi. overall system is 4 pi plus 2 pi system. So look at the 4 plus 2. Look at the 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, if you consider photochemically, that is H mu, the 4 plus 2 is forbidden. That means according to this chart, the 4 plus 2 pi system thermal photochemically not allowed. So it is a forbidden, or we can say not allowed reaction. Such type of reaction not allowed, product will not be formed by the this type of reaction. Now if you look at this reaction with thermally, 4 plus 2 thermally, you can see the reaction is allowed. So the reaction is allowed, that means the product will be formed 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6 is there, so 6 member ring will be formed. So 6 member ring will be formed. So now this is the 6 member ring. Double bond will migrate here. Now this CH is there. So the product is formed. So this particular chart is very important while understanding the reaction, how that reaction goes thermally or it will goes photochemically. So this chart will decide. Okay, I hope the student will understand this is. Now these are the some examples we are going to consider. Again, this is, you can see this is also, this is 2 plus 2, that is 4. This is 2 plus 2, that is 4 pi plus, now this is nothing but the 2 pi electron. So it 4 pi plus 2 pi electron system. So it should be thermally allowed. So here it is temperature is there. That's why it is temperature is there. That means it is thermally allowed. Now the product is formed 78%. If you look at this product, same reactant is there. Only difference in the second type of reactant. It is unsubstituted double bond unsaturated compound. While this is a substituted saturated compound, it has a aldehyde group is there. Now see the difference between this. Without substituent, such type of reaction requires a very high temperature. Without substituent at second molecule, without substituent at second molecule, without substituent second molecule, it requires very high temperature. It requires high temperature and pressure also, and the yield also giving it 78%. But if you put the substituent on this particular group, if you put the substituent on this particular group, see here that particular double bond having aldehyde group, so it is unsaturated aldehyde. So temperature, see the difference between the temperature and the time required, it requires, the first reaction requires 70 hours while the second reaction requires half an hour, and the yield also differentiate. So the effect of substituent is there when this type of unsaturated molecule having a substituent, the rate of reaction will increases. So that is also important. Effect of substituent is there. Effect of substituent is there. So now this is an example of Diels-Alder type of reaction. So 4 pi plus 2 pi system is a good example of Diels-Alder type of reaction. So 4 plus 2 pi electron system is an example of Diels-Alder reactions. Now understand that what is Diels-Alder reaction. So now I am going to consider the same example, that is this 1,3-butadiene is going to react with this unsaturated aldehyde. So in case of Diels-Alder reaction, this diene is known as, this particular unsaturated molecule is known as, conjugated unsaturated molecule is known as diene. In case of Diels-Alder reaction, this particular molecule is known as diene. it is unsaturated molecule, while this second unsaturated substituent molecule is known as dienophile. It is known as dienophile. So while considering the Diels-Alder reaction, the requirement for this reaction is diene and dienophile. It always requires a diene and dienophile. Dienophile means that particular double bond is substituted with the group. That should be a withdrawing group, aldehyde, ketone, acid, anything else, cyanide, nitro group like that. So this is known as a dienophile. And now the product is, as our earlier said, that consider product will be formed. Let us consider the mechanism. So this double bond will attack on this carbon, and this carbon will attack here to form a sigma bond, and this double bond will migrate here. So the product for this reaction involves a transition state, right? It involves a transition state. So here it is CHO. Now I'm going to represent the newly formed bond with the red line. So the red line always indicates the newly formed bonds. So these are the newly formed sigma bonds, and this is the pi bond. So it is an product, and the reaction goes through thermally because it is 4 pi plus 2 pi electron system, and 4 pi plus 2 pi electron system always goes to the thermal type of reactions. Now let us consider one more example for the Diels-Alder reaction. Same that diene is by we are going to consider. So here is double bond plus double bond, double bond. This is malic anhydride. Okay, now the reaction is again it is thermal reaction. Same, the pattern of reaction is same, that this double bond is going to be attacked at this double bond, and this migrate here to form a sigma bond, and this is also migrating here to form a pi multiple bond. So again we can see that this is 4 pi electron system, this is 2 pi electron system, so overall 6 pi electron system. So the 6 is nothing but the formation of ring. So the ring will be formed 6 member. Okay, now the newly formed bond is represented with the red one. So here it is CHO. Sorry, it is not CHO. The remaining pending ring is there. That is, so this is oxygen, this is double bond O, this is double bond O. So this is adduct. Diels-Alder reaction always forms an adduct. So these are the few examples of cycloaddition type of reaction.